Assalamu alaikum class 6, this is Khalid Salim and I hope that all of you are well. So in today's lecture we are going to continue on from where we left in this the reading of this chapter. So let's start with the reading. Uh, okay, so we know that Bill Driscoll and there was another person that has not been named yet. They planned that they would kidnap a child and they would then demand a ransom of $2,000. So they decided that their victim would be the son of Ebenezer Dorset, who was quite a wealthy man, and he was a resident of Summit Town. Okay, so what was the job of Sir Ebenezer Dorset? He actually was lending mortgages and he was making foreclosures. Okay, so in this job he was actually making money in this way. So let's start it. And they have kidnapped the boy, and this boy is like no other boy, uh, and he's creating a lot of hardship and trouble for these two kidnappers. So let's begin from where we left off previously. We actually read this paragraph, so we are going to continue it from here. Then we had supper, and he filled his mouth full of meat, bread, and gravy, and talked. His speech went something like this. So कह रहे हैं कि हम लोगों ने supper का मतलब होता है dinner, ठीक है. So उसने उन्होंने dinner उन्होंने खाया, और वो लड़का जो था he was eating uh, food as well, and he was talking as well. So his speech was something like this: I never camped out before. It is fun, but I had a pet once, and I was 9 last birthday. Are there any real red Indians in these woods? I want some more gravy. Do the moving trees make the wind blow? So he's just babbling, he's just talking, and his talk does not make any sense. This just shows that the kid is too curious. Okay, and he's among these two kidnappers, and he's just asking them all sorts of questions. So here his dialogue continues. We had 5 puppies. What makes your nose so red, Hank? So he has named Bill Disrossel as Hank. My father has lots of monies. Are the stars hot? Do oxen make any noise? Oxen बैल को कहते हैं, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे जो है वो okay. Are the oranges round? A parrot can talk, but a monkey or a fish can't. So he's actually talking. He's very excited. He's very excited to be away from his house, and he's actually enjoying this camping. In a cave. So he's very excited, and he's asking them all sorts of things. Okay. Every few minutes, he would remember that he was a red Indian and would let out a war whoop that made old Hank shiver. Shiver का मतलब होता है कि when your body is shaking due to fear, pain, or cold, you can say. So that movement of your body is known as shiver. ठीक है, यहाँ पे as a noun use हुआ है, but usually I shivered because of cold. तो यहाँ as a verb भी हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं इसको. So every minute he would remember, that boy would think, that he was a red Indian, and then he would try to mimic the red Indians by letting out a very loud war whoop. War whoop का मतलब होता है कि चीखना चिल्लाना, as was done during the war by the red Indians. I says, kid, would you like to go home? Then this other guy is telling, कि बेटा आपने क्या घर जाना है? What for? Says he, I don't have any fun at home. I hate school. I like camping. You won't take me home, Snake Eye, will you? So he's just asking the kid, he's just testing him, and he sees that the kid is very much excited. So he's saying, fun time is over. I should better drop you at your home. And he says, no, I'm totally fine. I like camping. I don't like school. And he's also seeking assurance from Snake Eye that he would not be dropping him back to his house. Okay, not right away, says I. Yeah, says he. I never had such fun in my life. So he's very happy to be among these two kidnappers. At about 11 o'clock, we spread down some white blankets and went to bed. So at 11 o'clock, they prepared their beds, and for sleeping, they actually put down blankets on the ground. Red Chief kept us awake for 3 hours, jumping up and reaching for his rifle and screeching in our ears as each crackle of a twig or the rustle of a leaf made him imagine that outlaws were approaching. So he was just acting as a red Indian, and he actually kept them awake for 3 hours. And every movement, every sound from outside, whether it be the crackling of a twig or the rustling of a leaf, he would just wake up and he would just think, that some outlaws were going to come and attack them. Outlaws का मतलब होता है that you can say bandits, you can say, और robbers भी कह सकते हैं, डकैत भी कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. At last I fell into a troubled sleep and dreamed that I had been kidnapped and changed to a tree by a ferocious pirate with red hair. Ferocious, it means aggressive, you can say violent, ठीक है. दोनों words आपके हैं. Savage भी हम कह सकते हैं. So this second kidnapper, he actually fell asleep and he was having this dream that he was kidnapped and he was changed to a, you can say, chair by a very angry, by a very violent, or by a very aggressive pirate. Okay, red hair, with red hair. Okay. Just at daybreak, I was awakened by awful screams from Bill. ओके, डे ब्रेक मीन्स डॉन. जैसे ही आपका सूरज की पहली किरण जब सुबह सुबह निकलती है, दैट इज़ नोन एज डे ब्रेक. सो एट डे ब्रेक ही वॉज अवेकेंड, वो जाग उठा. वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ awful or horrible screams from Bill. I jumped up to see what the matter was. Red Chief was sitting on Bill's chest, holding him by the hair. In the other hand, he had the sharp knife, and he was seriously trying to take Bill's scalp. Scalp का मतलब होता है जो आपके सर के ऊपर जो गोश्त होता है, जिसके ऊपर आपके बाल उगते हैं, ठीक है. As he had promised the evening before. So actually, by hearing Bill screaming, the second kidnapper, he woke up, and what he saw surprised him, was shocked him greatly. He saw that the kid had a knife in his hand and he was trying to actually take off the scalp of Bill, and as he had promised earlier the day back. Okay. I got the knife away from the kid and made him lie down again, but from that moment Bill's spirit was broken. Spirit यहाँ पे जो है, you can say his hopes were broken. उसको मतलब और तसल्ली नहीं आ रही थी कि मतलब he could not actually take any more from this kid, and he took the knife away from the kid and he asked him, that you should just lie down on the ground. He laid down on his side of the bed, but he never closed an eye again in sleep as long as that boy was with us. So Bill was very afraid to sleep, but he laid down on the bed, but he did not close his eyes. Why? Because he was very much afraid of the kid, that he might repeat the same thing again. Okay. Ain't it awful, Sam? No one will pay money to get a little imp like that back. Imp means any child who is behaving very badly. Okay. So he's actually admitting this fact to himself and to Sam as well. Okay. So Sam has been named as the other guy over here. Okay. And he's just wondering that this boy is so this boy cannot be controlled and he's just doing all sorts of crazy things. So he's just wondering whether anyone would be paying any money to get him back, because they would be very happy that this boy has somehow disappeared. His parents will say, okay, his parents will say that. तो सैम कहते हैं हाँ उसके पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो इंशाल्लाह जो हैं they would be returning, they would be actually paying the amount of the ransom. I went to the top of the little mountain and looked around. Over towards summit, I expect to see a search party. So Sam went outside and to look around, and when he was looking towards summit, he was expecting that there would be a search party out looking or searching for the boy. But what I saw was a peaceful landscape. लेकिन उसने क्या देखा कि हर चीज़ जो है वो बिल्कुल it's calm everywhere, and there is no running or dashing of people from one place to another, and everything seemed to be so peaceful. Perhaps, says I to myself, it has not yet been discovered. And then he says to himself that लगता है that no one has actually discovered that the child is missing. So he also got a bit confused. Okay, when I got to the cave, I found Bill backed up against the side of it, breathing hard, and the boy threatening to smash him with a rock half as big as coconut. So when he returned back and he saw that Bill, he was against the wall of a cave, and he was very much afraid, and he saw that the kid was actually, threatening to strike him with a rock that was as big, uh, uh, that was like half big as a coconut. Okay. He put a red hot boiled potato on my back, explained Bill, and then mashed it with his foot, and I hit him. So what did the boy do? He actually put a red hot boiled potato down the back of Bill, and then he actually mashed it with his foot. Bill got angry and he hit him. Okay, I took the rock away from the boy and can kind of patched up the argument. पैच अप करवाना का मतलब होता है कि किसी किसी चीज़ को जो है सुलह करवा देना, सॉल्व करवा देना. ठीक है, I will fix you, says the kid to Bill. So you can see from the demeanor or the behavior of the kid that he is very you can't control this kid, and he says, he just threatens him, I would fix you somehow. So by and by means in the end, finally, ultimately, eventually. Okay, Bill calms down and says, Sam, you won't go away and leave me here alone, will you? So Bill is very much shaken. He is not trusting, he does not want to be around this boy anymore, because as you can see from the whole story, Bill has been, for the entire time suffering at the hands of the kid. So he is actually not going to risk it, and he is very much afraid that he does not want Sam even to leave his side. I went out and caught the boy. Okay, I went out and caught that boy and shook him until his freckles rattled. Rattle का मतलब होता है shake. So Sam also got very serious with the boy, and he actually grabbed him and he shook him very badly. Okay, if you don't behave, says I will take you straight home. Now be good. So he's just warning him that be a good boy, otherwise I would just return you to your house and your little vacation would be over. Because the boy was thinking that he was on a vacation, and or he was on a camping trip. I made him and Bill shake hands. Then I took Bill aside and told him I was going to Poplar Cove, a little village 3 miles away, to find out what reaction the kidnapping had caused. So Sam also wanted some sort of an assurance that the kidnapping of the boy has been brought into the notice of the parents, and of course the people would be worried about the little boy, and there would be talk all around the town. So he just wanted to go to this next door village that was just 3 miles away, to get some information that what the people were up to and what were they planning regarding the boy, and whether they would be having any search party out looking for that boy. So he just informed Bill that he would be going out. Okay, Sam, says Bill, I have stood by you in earthquakes, फायर फ्लड्स एंड साइक्लोन्स. साइक्लोन्स का मतलब होता है जैसे समुद्री तूफान होते हैं. ठीक है, आई नेवर लॉस्ट माई नर्व येट टिल वी किडनैप दैट किड. You won't leave me long with him, will you? So Bill is just telling him that I have stood with you through thick and thin, and Bill has never left Sam's side in any sort of calamity, but this thing is getting out of hand, and he just is saying that Sam, just don't leave me with this kid alone, because he might cause me some sort of physical harm. Okay, I will be back soon, says I. You must keep the boy amused till I return. Amused का मतलब होता है entertain करके रखना है आपने उसको. ठीक है, let us write the letter to Mr. Dorset demanding the ransom and how it should be paid. So ransom is the amount that you pay to the kidnappers, okay, to get the victim free from the kidnappers. So he just reaffirming to Bill that I will be back soon, don't worry. So you must keep the boy entertained till I come back. And of course the most important thing is demanding the ransom. So he's going to go and write a letter to Mr. Dorset. Okay, Bill and I wrote it while, okay, no, he's not going to write it, he's just going to actually post it. Okay, no, okay, sorry, they're going to write it. Okay, Bill and I wrote it while Red Chief strutted up and down guarding the cave. So strut is a verb. Okay, strut means that you walk in a very confident manner with your chest out and your head high. Okay, so you can see that he was acting very confidently, Red Chief. So they both wrote the letter while the boy was actually strutting up and down guarding the cave. So he was just thinking that I am the Red Chief, and I have to protect this cave from the outlaws. Bill begged me tearfully to make the ransom $1,500 instead of 2,000. So they're just trying to facilitate the parents, and they also want to get rid of this Red Chief as soon as possible. So Bill is actually begging Sam that he should make the ransom 1500 instead of $2000. So to relieve Bill, I agreed. Relief का मतलब होता है to make someone relax, ठीक है, to relax someone. So to relax Bill, he agreed that the ransom would be $1500. Okay. This is the letter that they have written it, so we are going to read it. We have your boy, Ebenezer Dorset. We have your boy. It is useless for anyone to attempt to find him. We will only return him if you meet these terms. Terms का मतलब होता है condition, ठीक है? We demand $1500, the money to be left at midnight tonight at the same box as your reply at the Lone Tree. Send your answer by messenger at 8:30 tonight. If you attempt any treachery you can say betrayal of trust. Okay, if you try to break our trust, in other words, you will never see your boy again. If you pay the money, he will be returned to you safe and well. These terms are final, and if you do not accede to them, accede का मतलब होता है if you do not accept our demand, ठीक है, no further communication will be attempted. So what are they doing? They are saying, the letter, the place that we are going to post this letter, we want to receive your reply by 8:30. Okay, and they are also saying that their terms are final and they are not going to negotiate anymore. कि वो barter नहीं करेंगे, bargaining नहीं करेंगे, rather their terms are final and they have asked for $1500. Okay, so and then they have signed it with two desperate men. Okay, I walked to Poplar Cove and sat around the post office store chatting to customers. So Sam, he went to Poplar Cove. That was a village that was 3 miles away from the mountain, I guess. One guy says that he hears Summit is all upset on account of Elder Dorset's boy having been lost or stolen. So actually, he's listening to the other people chat, and he heard this guy saying, that Summit, the whole town of Summit is very upset because Ebenezer Dorset's boy or son, you can say, is lost or he has been stolen. That was all I wanted to know. I posted my letter surreptitiously and went away. Surreptitiously means hota hai कि secretively, that you do in a manner that no one notices you. Okay, and then he came away. Then he went back. When I got back to the cave, Bill and the boy were not to be found, so I waited. So as he returned, he could not find the boy or Bill in the cave, so he started waiting. Half an hour later, Bill appeared out of the bushes. Behind him was the kid, stepping softly like a scout, with a broad grin on his face. Grin का मतलब होता है, you are smiling and all of your teeth are showing actually. Bill stopped, took off his hat, and wiped his face with a red handkerchief. That the kid stopped about 8 feet behind him. So both of them, come out of the bushes, and uh, you can say. The kid is behind Bill and he has a very big smile on his face. Okay, Sam says, Bill, I am sorry, but the boy is gone. Okay, so Bill informs Sam, I am very sorry, but the boy has escaped or he has left. I have sent him home. I have been subjugated to such awful tortures. I reached my limit. So he's just admitting to Sam, that सब्जुकेशन का भी यहाँ पे देख लें, एक होता है कंट्रोल करना, एक होता है कॉन्कर करना होता है. सो ही हैड बीन put through a lot of awful torture, in other words, ठीक है. So he had reached his limit. He has reached the end of his patience, you can say, ठीक है. What is the trouble, Bill? I asked. Okay, okay. I was rode like a horse. Okay, road जो है, that is the, you can say, past form of ride, ठीक है. I was rode like a horse, says Bill. Then I was given oats. Sand ain't edible. So he is complaining, this kid actually thought that I was a horse and he climbed on back of me and he made me eat sand, and he was pretending that the sand was oats. Oats जो होते हैं ये edible चीज़ें होती हैं जो खाने वाली होती हैं. So edible का मतलब होता है eatable. Okay. I tell you, Sam, a human can only stand so much. So he's just venting out his frustration, and he's just telling him, I had enough. The kid was treating me very bad. I takes him down the mountain. On the way, he kicks and bites, but he is gone. Gone home. I showed him the way. I'm sorry we lose the ransom, but it was either that or me to the madhouse. So he was saying, for my mental health, I had to get rid of him, and I actually grabbed him and I took him down the mountain, and I left him. Uh, uh, he showed him the way back to his house, but on the way the boy just kept kicking Bill and biting him. Bill says, I have a look behind you. So the Bill is just breaking the surprise for him. Sorry, Sam is just breaking the surprise to him. Bill turns and sees the boys and loses his complexion and sits down. Complexion का मतलब होता है जो भी आपके face का रंग वगैरह होता है, ठीक है. So as soon as Bill turns around and he sees the boy, he all the color of his face is gone, and he just sits down. For an hour, I was afraid for his mind, and then I reminded him that we would get the ransom and be off with it by midnight if all Dorset paid up. So Bill braced himself. Braced himself का मतलब होता है then he waited. He just tried to cultivate some patience himself. So this is what was happening over there. Okay, so Bill actually could not believe that the boy was back, and to Sam it looked as if that he had lost his mind. And But then he assured Bill that I have posted the letter, and uh, we would be done with him uh, you know tonight. So Bill actually he agreed, okay, fine, you have done everything, so we are going to wait for the ransom. This was my scheme. Scheme का मतलब होता है plan for collecting the ransom without being caught. The tree under which the answer and later the money was to be left was in a wide open area. If any police came, I would see them a mile off. At 8:30, I was well hidden in the tree, waiting. So, what was the plan? What was the plan of Sam? That he has that he had actually chosen a place that was very secluded, that was very far off, and he had full view of the ground for half a mile. And if Dorset, Ebenezer Dorset, tried to trick them, and if he brought police, so he would actually see them coming uh, from way back actually. चलें जी, इसका आगे देखते हैं, and inshallah we'll be done with the reading. This it's quite a lengthy lesson. Okay. Exactly on time, a half-grown boy rides up the road on a bicycle, slips a note into the box, and pedals away again. So at 8:30, what happens? A boy comes and he slips a note into the box, okay? And then he goes away. I got the note and was back at the cave soon after. By the lantern, I read it to Bill. Two desperate men, gentlemen, I received your letter. I think the ransom you asked for the return of my son is a little high. I hereby make you a counter proposition. Counter proposition का मतलब होता है that he is offering another he's proposing another thing to them, okay, which I'm sure you will accept. You pay me $250 in cash, and I agree to take him off your hands, but bring him at midnight so the neighbors don't stop you. Very respectfully, Ebenezer Dorset. So as you can see uh, by the letter of Ebenezer Dorset, that he has made them a counter he has made a counter offer to these two kidnappers, and he is saying that the amount that you are seeking is very high, and I'm not going to agree to that. But what I'm going to agree to is this, that you pay me $250 and return me my boy. And then he advises them that don't bring him back, bring him at midnight. Midnight का मतलब होता है at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, okay. So that neighbors don't stop you, because the neighbors are also fed up because of this boy, and they are very happy, and they are rejoicing, and they are celebrating that somehow this boy is lost, and he's not making our life hell. So let's start. The cheek I began, but I glanced at Bill. Glanced का मतलब होता है look, ठीक है, and hesitated. His eyes were pleading with me. So he's just Sam, as he reads the letter. So he says, that what is this man suggesting, that we pay him $250? But when he looks at Bill, and Bill's eyes, they are pleading with him. Pleading का मतलब है begging, because Bill was ready to pay anything to get rid of this boy. Sam says, we got the money, we have got the money. This kid will send me crazy. I think Mr. Dorset is generous for making such an offer. Don't let the chance go. So he tells Sam, we have this kind of amount, and this boy is making me crazy. And Mr. Dawson is such a wonderful guy. He's such a he's such a guy with a very big heart, and he's making this offer, so don't let this chance go. Honestly, Bill says he has got on my nerves too. We will take Dorset's offer and make our getaway. So Sam is also admitting to Bill, you're right, yeah, we have had enough of this boy, and this boy has been causing us trouble all the time. So he also agrees, and he says, let's get out of here. That night, we got him to go by saying that his father had bought a new toy for him, and we were going to play with the new toys the next day. So they just made an excuse that, we have to go back to your house because your father has bought a new toy, and, we are all going to go, we are all going to play with that toy together. Just at the moment when I should have been collecting a ransom, Bill was giving $250 to Dorset. So they actually went to Mr. Ebenezer's house, and because to return the boy, and instead of collecting the ransom of 2,000 or $1,500 from the boy's father, they were actually paying him $250 to get the boy off their hands. When the kid found out we were going to leave him, he fastened himself as tight as a leech to Bill's leg. So as soon as he got to know that these guys, they are just running away from him, तो उसने अपने आप को बांध लिया. फास्टेंड का मतलब होता है कि अपने आप को बांध लेना, टाई अप कर लेना, ठीक है. एज टाइट एज अ लीच, एज टाइट एज अ लीच. लीच जो है, इट्स एन insect that actually you know attaches itself to your body, and it feeds off your blood actually. तो ये लीच जो है खून पीती है. So it's a funny comparison that they have made it. His father peeled him away. Peeled him का मतलब होता है कि उसको खींच के उन्होंने उतारा है. Okay. How long can you hold him? Asked Bill. Okay, so they were also very afraid that he might, you know, run away from his father, and he might chase them back. So he's just asking for reassurance that, how long can you hold this boy? I am not as strong as I used to be, says old Dorset, but I can promise you 10 minutes. So कह रहा मैं इतना strong तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ये कि 10 minutes तक मैं इसे पकड़ सकता हूँ. इसके बाद आपका अपना risk है. Enough, Bill says. In 10 minutes, I shall cross the country and be over the Canadian border. So he's saying, okay, it's enough. 10 minutes are enough. I'm going to run so fast that, in 10 minutes, I would be across the American border, and I would be over the Canadian border. Okay, and as dark as it was, and as fat as Bill was, and as good a runner as I am, he was a mile and a half out of summit, sorry, before I could catch up with him. So they are telling us that it was very dark, and Bill was very fat, and although I was a very good runner, but I could not match Bill's speed, and he was just running away at a very fast speed, and and he then caught up with Bill when they were like uh, a mile and a half away from summit. So it's quite a funny story. I hope you have enjoyed it. So your assignment would be to make make sentences of the words meaning section, and it's quite a, you can say, long video that you're going to be viewing. But I would actually suggest that you go to the entire video and also read it on your own. Okay, let's read about the author, then I'm going to end the video. O Henry was William Sidney Potter's pen name. तो ये जो ऑथर है जिसने ये स्टोरी लिखी है, ठीक है, ये ओ हेनरी ने लिखी, और ओ हेनरी का असल नाम जो था वो विलियम सिडनी पॉटर था. ठीक है. हिज शॉर्ट स्टोरीज आर नोन फॉर देयर प्लेफुल एंड विटी कंटेंट. विटी का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा ही जहानत से भरा हुआ उसका कंटेंट होता है. प्लेफुल होता है और बड़ा ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट कंटेंट का होता है. बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एक अक्लमंदाना भी, यू कैन से, बहुत मतलब एक इन अ फन वे, यू कैन से. And their unexpected or surprise ending. The Ransom of Red Chief is a brilliant example of O. Henry's use of a plot twist and humor. So plot twist क्या था? That they wanted to get the ransom, but in the end what happened? That they had to pay $250 out of their pocket to get the boy away. But humor, definitely, everything was funny in the story. So I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. So the task for today's lecture would be you making sentences of the words, and inshallah on Tuesday I will be sharing with you the question answers of this chapter. Thank you.